Welcome back to NextGen Tech Trends. I know it's been a while, but we're back and we're here to stay. We are currently living in 2026, and technology is no longer just about your phone. Today, I'm taking you behind the curtain. These are 5 hidden tech revolutions that mainstream media is barely talking about, but they are already changing the world as we speak. Let's dive into the future. 1. Embodied AI. We've all talked to AI, but in 2026, AI has finally stepped out of the screen. We're witnessing the rise of embodied AI. From advanced humanoid robots at CES to industry-grade assistants, these machines aren't just processing data, they're performing complex physical tasks, cooking, cleaning, and providing genuine emotional engagement. The line between human and machine is blurring faster than ever. Are you ready to welcome a robot into your home? 2. Solid-state batteries. Let's face it, our biggest fear is that 1% battery icon, but 2026 is the year solid-state batteries finally went mainstream. Forget standard lithium-ion. We're talking about batteries that last a week on a single charge and power your electric vehicle in under 5 minutes. It's safer, it's faster, and it's the ultimate game changer for every piece of tech you own. 3. Smart glasses. Is this the end of the smartphone? With 2026 models from the giants, smart glasses are becoming truly functional. Using advanced micro OLED displays, the world around you becomes an interactive interface. Imagine walking down the street with real-time language subtitles appearing in your vision, or navigating with arrows overlaid directly on the road. We are entering an era of spatial computing, and the screen in your pocket might soon be obsolete. 4. Wireless power. Here's the wow moment of the day. You know wireless charging pads, right? Well, that's history. We are moving toward long-range wireless power. Imagine your phone charging while it's in your pocket simply by being in a room equipped with power transmitting nodes. It's like Wi-Fi, but for electricity. The dream of a cable-free life is finally becoming a reality. 5. Neuromorphic chips. And here is the absolute game changer. We are moving away from traditional processors that burn through energy. Enter Neuromorphic Computing. These are chips designed to mimic the architecture of the human brain. Instead of just calculating, they are learning in real time, using 1/1000th of the power traditional systems use. This means our devices will soon have intuitive processing. Your phone won't just follow commands, it will understand context, anticipate your needs, and evolve as you use it. We are literally putting the efficiency of a human brain into our pockets. Technology is moving at a breakneck speed, and here at NextGen Tech Trends, we're dedicated to staying ahead of the curve. Whether it's humanoid robots or brain-like chips, the future is unfolding right now. Which one of these 5 technologies shocked you the most? Drop a comment below. I'm reading every single one of them. If you're as excited about the future as I am, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to join our global community. We are back, and we're just getting started. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.